The line to the round. You know what I mean?
She want me to leave her.
How about you? Good.
What would you propose?
Well, the quickest route would be to discover U.S.
Making a high table, but I'm keeping my top real
Obviously, it has to be someone you trust or, in your case, can control.
Like you, the defense attorney.
What's wrong? Because you got a blue car don't mean that your windshield cracked.
They sang real good, real good. Drop. Stop out there. Hear the story, man. That's to be lit, dog. The bullets fucking your head up, man. Yo, when was the last time you ran this thing, man? Never, motherfucker. You need to start thinking about it as a motherfucking city, man. For sure you can't eat no books, dog. So what's going on down here? So here what?
Yeah, I stop Friday on Friday for you. Yeah.
That's crazy. Why they got the grip on?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I had introduced them to each other, and he was like, "Y'all, what you come work in the shop?" I just found out you had that shop for a check and called me. all y'all certificates and stuff. Y'all put it up there. Y'all shorty. That nigga got shorty's card. They got cheap. Why we get a paper? They got too many kids. They all go to the auction. They try to alright. Basic shit. That's like getting you. They do about. Bro, I'm telling you right now. As soon as you say we'll do a job, right? I'm ready to like you're big. It's like, yo, give me 150. See how good it is.
Bench? Who the fuck you calling a bench? You a bench once time you find out about this.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Because everybody pulled up to my shit on the barbecue. Like, what the fuck that got to do with me? I don't give a fuck.
Why would
I tell them that? Why would I tell them not asking me?
But instead of being
That nigga. He's sitting this nigga in the trash. This shit got it now. Fuck you. Your motherfucking boy, I'm on the run now. I told you, stupid ass, don't call the crib from the spot. How the fuck you get the stuff? Bitch. Crazy shit didn't happen. You know, I seen why he left, you know. He was ready to cry like a bitch when they said something. What is you talking about? You was right there and say shit. Me? I'm Brooklyn Castle, push your wig like God. I know he even tried, but yo, what? You don't want me to pull your bitch ass car for the funds and shit? Fuck it, just keep it right. Yo, I know you're not going to.
I was sitting in the bar.
Hey, Pig, you ever had your shit pushed in? Your shit pushed in.
My shit pushed in, bro, big time. It's blurry.
You guys fucked them up, eh?
I really like it. I usually just get the regular line, so I just don't like it like skinny, that's all. So you wanna come like this?
No, I wanted just a regular line shit.
Oh, so like where the hair right here.
Yeah, you cut all that off. I ain't want this shit. I just let this dude try it out.
Huh?
I just let this dude try this style out on me. I just want the regular little line shit around. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's all I want.
And just cut this right here?
Yeah. Yep. You take this little line and this little smaller right here.
Yeah. What about the other side?
And that's about that. Yeah, that's good enough.
Valid though?
Yeah.
Knock your damn mustache off, you. This close. This is ridiculous.
Alright, you can send me 25. You got cash in?
Yeah, I fucking tried more. You got time?
Nah.
I gotta get cash. I got time. I already anyway.
Yeah. Apple Pay? You got Apple Pay?
Nah, I got that. You said 25?
Yeah.
I gave you 40. I ain't got no change.
Yeah, you could just, you ain't got no 5 or nothing?
I just walk off the street and all this.
Nah, that's not good.
I'm not surprised about that. You got your money, though.
Alright, look.
No ripple, no wings. To severe Crohn's disease. Now.
Shit said 30, y'all. The rest of it said 30. Probably. It's cool though.